Fix lens obstruction and restart Kodak PIXPRO FZ45. Quick recovery guide. Step 1. Power off the camera. Turn the camera off completely before you begin. Step 2. Remove battery and SD card. Take out the batteries and SD card. Let the camera sit for 10-60 minutes to fully reset the electronics. Step 3. Inspect the lens barrel. Look for dust, sand, or debris around the lens. Blow gently with compressed air or a clean, soft brush. Avoid touching the lens glass. Step 4. Loosen any stuck parts. Gently tap the camera on a soft surface or around the lens barrel to dislodge jams, just like taps. Try twisting the lens barrel gently clockwise or counterclockwise until it clicks or feels less stuck. Step 5. Power button drain reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge any residual power. Step 6. Reinsert battery and SD card. Put everything back in and ensure batteries are fresh and fully charged. Step 7. Power on the camera. Turn the camera on. Watch as the lens extends. Hopefully the obstruction error clears.